have any new cookie recipes for Thanksgiving? Yes. Hello dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Today I'm gonna share a new recipe with you for this upcoming Thanksgiving. Yes, this was my arrangement for 2020 Thanksgiving, and in 2021 I guess I forgot to upload any videos. And finally in 2022 I woke up and said, need to do some new recipes for this upcoming Thanksgiving, so let me share with you one of them. Here my voiceover is finished. I'll continue with an edited voice of mine.
It's a pumpkin pie with no eggs and no flour. So, for this recipe you will need about 300 grams of ground pumpkin. By the way, you have to grind it on this size. Not the large one, but this one. You will need 250 milligrams of yogurt, Greek yogurt. Then you will need 1 teaspoonful of soda or baking powder. Need 1 lemon because you have to grate the skin. Then you will need 270 grams of semolina, but I'm taking a little bit more than 270 grams because my pumpkin is more than the recipe itself is requiring. The same is with my Greek yogurt. You will need white sugar, not the brown one. White sugar needs to be about 100 grams for the batter and 150 grams for the syrup. Yes, we have to make syrup, and for that purpose we will need also about 120 milligrams of water to make the syrup. So let's go. For the beginning, I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. I already pre-made the pumpkin. Grate it on a small size of the grater. I'm adding the baking soda, 1 teaspoonful of baking soda on top of the Greek yogurt. Start mixing it. You may add baking powder if you want, but it's the same thing. Baking soda is better. So we are going to mix it and add on top of the pumpkin. Grate the lemon. Okay, my lemon is bold now. I did a haircut to it. So this is what I got from 1 lemon. I'm adding it on top of my batter. I'm going to mix a little bit before I add the sugar and the semolina. Now I'm adding semolina first. As you can see here, it's 1 cup of sugar, but I'm gonna divide it. I'm going to add just half of it. See? And start mixing everything now together. Not liquidy type of batter. You can put it into a container and start baking it on 180 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, I decided to add a very little bit of vanilla powder just because I don't want to taste the soda. 2 of this much. That's enough. The wax paper is on already, and now I'm going to add my batter there. You can make it a little bit even, as much as you can, before putting it into the oven, which is preheat 400 to 360. Okay, 30 minutes are gone by, but I don't think that it's ready. I'm gonna check it in 10 more minutes to see if it's ready. While our pie is baking, I'm going to make the syrup. For that purpose, I'm going to use granulated sugar, 150 grams, add 120 milligrams of water, to squeeze 1 lemon juice. Remember our boiled lemon, and the pips will remain on top. That one. And here is the second half. Done with the lemon. I'm going to add it on top of my water and the sugar. Let's start making the syrup now. And it's done. Hope everybody knows how to check if your cookie is baked or not. I'm checking it this way. See, it's clean, which means it's baked. Okay, my syrup had started boiling, because it started a minute ago, so 2 more minutes and I'll turn it off. one cracked. Okay, I took out the pumpkin pie, and now that while it's hot, I'm going to add the syrup on top. I'm not going to remove the pie from the container. I'm just gonna add the syrup. It will take another 30 to 40 minutes until it soaks and gets ready. Okay, now that the pie had soaked the syrup, the most important part.
Well, after cutting a couple of slices, I figured out that my cake will be a miniature type. You know why? Because the layer was very thin. So I put 4 layers on top of each other and decorated with 2 colored merengos, white and pink. Hope you like this recipe, and if you like it, don't forget to put your thumbs up and come back for Thanksgiving DIYs. Get ready, people! And thanks for watching. Bye-bye!